So one of the last things I want to do here at the pre-line stage before we sheet everything and seal it all off is one more thing that I wanted to do is build an archway. I keep seeing that a lot on Instagram, different shots of different arches and cool things, and I was like, yeah, I think I want to give a crack at learning how to build an archway, so I'm going to give that a crack. So this is my hallway. And it goes pretty high, but I'm going to build an archway in here, bringing it in over this way here. It might be a cool little feature, sort of there. See how it goes. Cool, I've got the ply. All I'm going to do is find exactly halfway, and then from that point I'll find the center, and then I can get a piece of string and make the arch. I've got it. Let's check out and see if it fits. Like a glove. Now I'm just going to make another one of these, so I'll stencil this out on the next piece, and then I'll make it to the thickness of the wall. So now I have two. I want to make it the thickness of the wall here, which is 70 mils. So I need to make the difference in a block of timber so I can space that out in between. Great! Built an archway. Plywood, both sides, the thickness of the frame. Got my curve. So now I've got to check out to see if this fits up there neatly. Let's check it out. I've made one archway, so now I'm making sure that it's flush all the way across both walls, so that when I lay my plasterboard or my jib, it goes flush all the way across. And then what we need to do is cut out the shape in the plasterboard, and then we can skim make it nice square set, make it look neat. All I need to do now is it's fixed in place, I just need to shoot it there. Archway! Ooh. Ooh. Archway. We've gone and put the gyp rock around it. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Neat archway. So all I need to do now is get the boys to put some flexible plasterboard underneath there, and then they'll set it with. Oh, my main man is now setting it. He's putting the plaster around the curve. Put a lovely archway there. So we'll see how it comes up at the end. Look at that, finished, fully set, nice archway. Ready for painting.